Hello, everybody. Welcome back to EduTap again, and I hope you all guys are doing absolutely good. Today, we have Mr. Sudhir Kumar with us, who has recently cleared RBI Grade B exam. First of all, Sudhir, big congratulations from all the entire team of EduTap.
Thank you very much, sir.
Sudhir, how is it feeling right now? I know it feels good, but to clear RBI Grade B is like a big achievement. So, what's the feeling right now?
Well, sir, it's happiness mixed with relief because I've been trying for like 3 years now, and it's finally done. So it is like mixed reactions. Family is happy, I'm happy, but it was also a big relief that it's done.
Right. Like you said that you were trying for 3 years, right?
Yes.
So what were the learnings in these 3 years? Like we all know that 3 years is not a small period. So how you kept going in this 3 years and how did you channelize your energies into the last attempt?
Well, sir, learnings, sir, if we मेरे attempts कुछ ऐसे थे ना, जैसे for the first time it was like a fluke. Was not
Okay.
I was not preparing for RBI as per se. My brother was preparing for it.
Hmm.
I was preparing for similar exams, bank exams
Hmm,
and
hmm, hmm,
such.
hmm.
So I knew I was preparing for QREs and all. So I gave the prelims as a practice, and somehow I cleared the exam. And when I got the result, there were 13
Hmm,
days left from the result to the mains exam,
hmm.
and
Right, right.
I did not even know what the syllabus of finance and management is.
Okay.
I had no idea. So, but my brother was studying, and unfortunately, he did not clear. So I had his notes. I took all the notes, and for 12 days straight, I put in 12, 14-hour shifts, and I studied all of them. And I gave the exam. Of course, I did not clear because you can't clear in 12 days.
This is your
But
first attempt, right?
this is my first attempt.
Hmm,
So, but I got close. I
hmm,
was
hmm.
1.5 marks से मेरा रह गया था. Then
Phase
I
two.
realized, हाँ, phase 2. Then I realized कि यार possible है.
Hmm,
वरना
hmm.
बिफोर दैट आई यूज्ड टू थिंक कि जो भी सब्जेक्टिव पेपर का एग्जाम है आई कांट डू इट. आई यूज्ड टू ओनली गो फॉर ऑब्जेक्टिव बेस्ड पेपर्स.
Okay.
तो व्हेन देन इट dawned upon me कि इट इज पॉसिबल, कि it हो सकता है. फिर नेक्स्ट ईयर आई अटेम्प्टेड इट अगेन, बट स्टिल देयर वाज सम लैक इन माय प्रिपरेशन. जैसे आई डिड नॉट गो फॉर रिपोर्ट्स, जैसे डिटेल्ड रिपोर्ट्स नहीं पढ़ी मैंने. मैंने कहा
Hmm,
कि
hmm,
खाली क्या कहते हैं, बजट पढ़ लिया, इकोनॉमिक सर्वे पढ़
hmm,
लिया,
hmm, hmm, hmm,
स्कीम्स पढ़ ली, बहुत है. इतना जरूरत नहीं है हर रिपोर्ट डिटेल में पढ़ने की.
hmm, hmm, hmm.
और आपको याद होगा उस साल वाला जो लास्ट ईयर वाला पेपर था, वो पूरा ये साइड रिपोर्ट
Report.
बेस्ड था.
Yep.
एग्जैक्ट कि भाई रिपोर्ट कोड करके तो उसमें मेरा रह गया. तो उससे मैंने लर्न ये लिया कि भाई कुछ भी छोड़ नहीं सकते हैं.
Hmm.
एवरीथिंग इज इंपॉर्टेंट. सो दिस टाइम आई रेड ऑल द रिपोर्ट्स दैट आई कुड फाइंड एडोटेप पे, जो भी समरीज थी. आई रेड ऑल द स्कीम्स, आई रेड ऑल द budgets and economic surveys and RBI annual report, financial stability report, and it did help. Second thing I think was कि I used before this year I used to study a lot. I used to read, but I would not practice. And I think now that it was out of fear. Because if you
Hmm,
keep
hmm.
reading and you think कि हाँ मैं लिख लूंगा पेपर में, बट अगर आप लिख लोगे, लिख की कोशिश करते हो, तो आपको पता चल जाता है यार इतना पानी में हो आप. तो
Hmm.
हाँ, तो उस फियर के चक्कर में कि यार कहीं मुझे नहीं आया तो मैं लिखता नहीं था. मैं डायरेक्ट एग्जाम में लिखता था, और उस वजह से काफी
Hmm.
मेरे को वो हुआ नुकसान. बट दिस ईयर मैंने लिखा, आई गिव
Okay.
ऑनलाइन टेस्ट, तो उससे भी क्या कहते हैं मेरे को काफी हेल्पफुल, आई बिलीव.
So the pehla attempt, you said that it was just a fluke, like you were not
या.
expecting, but you just
हाँ.
put down some 12-hour shifts and
हम्म.
you were very close to clear phase two, but that gave you confidence.
या.
So that failure was not a failure indeed, it was just a light of hope, I would say.
या एग्जैक्टली.
Right. And in the second attempt, you were like not focusing too much on the reports, you were not focusing on the typing part.
या.
And in the third years, you made sure that all these drawbacks were taken care of.
यस.
Right. Nice. Now, Sudhir, just give you a small introduction to my all audience who are watching you right now.
Well, so I did my schooling from Delhi, and after
Hmm.
that, I have completed my BTech from Delhi Technological University in Computer
Hmm.
Engineering.
Hmm.
After that, I worked for SBI for 1.5 years. Then I resigned
Hmm.
from SBI to prepare for exams, and
SBI clerk, right?
I was in clerical.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
up till 2021, I used to work
Hmm.
in SBI.
Hmm.
Just after college,
Hmm.
2019 में मैं कहते हैं graduate हुआ, and in 2020 Jan I joined SBI.
Hmm.
तो
Hmm.
वहां से मुझे लगा कि हाँ, बैंकिंग एज एन इंस्टीट्यूशन इज अ नाइस प्लेस टू वर्क. तो
Okay.
हाँ, वरना उससे पहले मेरा कोई इंटेंट ऐसा नहीं था कि जैसे लोग को रहता है कि मेरे को आरबीआई में जॉब करनी है. आई
Hmm.
वॉज
Hmm.
लाइक अ स्कैटर्ड ब्रेन पर्सन, कि क्या करना है, आई वॉज नॉट अवेयर ज्यादा. तो
Hmm.
उसके बाद फिर मैंने एक साल क्या कहते हैं तैयारी करी इधर, जो भी मेरे को एग्जाम्स लगे, कहते क्यूआरई बेस्ड थे, मैंने सबके पेपर दिए। उसी में फिर मेरा
हम्म।
टीचर का भी एग्जाम था दिल्ली गवर्नमेंट का, तो उसमें उसी
ओके।
टाइम पे मैंने वो दिया था। तो फिर जब 2022 का ये अटेम्प्ट मैंने जो आपको बताया फ्लूक वाला, तो उसी
हम्म।
टाइम पे मेरा आरबी कहते हैं इसमें दिल्ली गवर्नमेंट में सिलेक्शन
दिल्ली
भी
का।
हो गया था। तो मैंने कहा कि अब एक
ओके।
साल हो गया है, तो इसको अटेम्प्ट करने के लिए पूरा एक साल और नहीं छोड़ सकते। सो आई जॉइन दिल्ली गवर्नमेंट में एज अ टीचर फॉर
हम्म।
कंप्यूटर्स। तो साथ साथ में फिर
नाइस।
मैंने 2 साल तैयारी करी।
Okay, so you were working in one of the schools of Delhi government, right?
Yes, yes.
Right, and you were teaching what?
I teach computers to children from class 6 to 10th.
Hmm. And you shifted from SBI to this job in Delhi government because of
Hmm.
some reasons, right? What were those
Hmm.
reasons?
Mostly, sir, was because it took clerical ka job was too mundane. It is only Excel. Day in, day out, from 10 o'clock to 5 o'clock, I was just feeding data in Excel and same files in and out. I got very bored of it. So मेरे को लगा कि
Okay.
I like the job, but I don't like what I am doing here right now. So if I want to work
Hmm.
in banking sector, I would like to be at the peak if that's possible.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
that's when I thought कि हाँ कुछ better करते
So
हैं.
because of job getting bored,
Hmm.
you changed the job to Delhi government, right? But your
नॉट
final.
नॉट एक्चुअली, नॉट
Okay.
एक्चुअली मैंने जॉब छोड़ दी थी। मुझे क्या कहता था कि कुछ बैंकिंग सेक्टर में करना है, जो भी आपका
Okay.
आरबीआई हो गया, नाबार्ड हो गया, सेबी वगैरह हो गया। आई वाज नॉट कि आरबीआई आरबीआई करना, मुझे लगता था
Hmm.
आरबीआई वाज टू टफ फॉर मी, मेरे से नहीं होगा। बाकी
Hmm.
थोड़े कंपैरेटिवली मुझे इजी लगते थे, चाहे वो इंश्योरेंस सेक्टर का ही हो। तो आई वाज प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर दोज, और मैंने साथ साथ में
Hmm.
और मैं सारे पेपर देता था, क्योंकि क्यूआरए की प्रैक्टिस हो जाएगी टाइम
Hmm.
कंस्ट्रेंट में देने में। तो उसी चक्कर में मैंने दिल्ली गवर्नमेट का भी दिया था। उसमें बहुत
Okay.
हाँ, बिकॉज दिल्ली गवर्नमेंट में फॉर दैट ईयर आई थिंक बीटेक के लिए वो बीएड वगैरह नहीं चाहिए थी, एंड द पेपर इज नॉट दैट टफ, तो आई क्लियर
Hmm.
इट।
You know, from your story, there is one cliche which comes into the picture. Like many students are preparing for RBI only. Like they think that they will keep preparing for RBI, and RBI happens once in the year, and they skip multiple exams like SEBI, any other exam like PO or IBPS clerk. So, what will be your advice to those students who are just preparing for one exams? They are parking all their eggs in one particular basket only.
आई मीन इट इज गुड टू फोकस कि लाइक कि ये मेरा गोल है, ठीक है,
Hmm.
बट एक्चुअली आपको क्या है ना कि जो एग्जाम का स्ट्रेस है उस टाइम पे, जो प्री प्रीलिम्स का खासकर जो
Hmm.
टाइम कंस्ट्रेंट में पेपर देने का स्ट्रेस है, उसको अगर आप जितना रिलीव करोगे ना, बार बार
Hmm.
पेपर देते रहोगे, उतना आप उसमें बेटर
Hmm.
होते जाते हो। तो मैं अपने जितने भी कजन हैं, जितने भी फ्रेंड्स हैं, उनको ये करता हूँ,
Hmm.
तुमको पेपर आरबीआई देना है ओके, बट इसके बीच में जितने भी एसबीआई पीओ हो गया, आईबीपीएस पीओ हो गया, सेबी
Hmm.
नाबार्ड जो भी है, सब भरो। सबके प्रीलिम्स दो, एटलीस्ट नहीं
Okay.
क्लियर होगा कोई बात नहीं, बट
It's
आपको।
like playing practice match before
यस,
the World Cup
एग्जैक्टली
comes.
एग्जैक्टली यस।
Okay.
क्योंकि
Hmm.
क्यूआरई टाइम कंस्ट्रेंट में सॉल्व करना उस टाइम पे ना, जो प्रेशर बिल्ड होता है उसमें बहुत दिक्कत होती है। अगर आपने सारे एक्स
Hmm.
उसमें डाल रखे हैं, आप इतने हाई
Hmm.
स्टिक गेम खेल रहे हो, उस टाइम पे अगर एक भी क्वेश्चन आपका फंस गया,
Hmm.
फिर आप उस टाइम पे फिर बहुत
टेंशन आ
दिक्कत
जाती
होती
है.
है, बहुत ज्यादा।
Right. Hmm.
हम्म,
Cool. So it's a good advice to prepare like those students who are preparing for SBI PO pre. It's like
या
a good practice which
या
they can do in the IBPS centers so that they can learn that how to handle the pressure also. Nice
यस
point. Now you are an engineer, right? If I'm not wrong, you said
यस।
that you are an engineer. So was phase one tough for you?
फेज वन, the quant section, contrary to popular belief, was equally tough for a कहते हैं engineering student also.
Mhm.
Quant in
Okay.
RBI is at another level. I have given SBI prelims, I have got IBPS, I have given SEBI.
Mhm.
None of them match to the quant section of the RBI. It is at some other level. So
Okay.
yes, quant section was particularly tough. Other than that, English, GA was comparatively reasonable.
Okay. And if an engineer says that quant is tough, then it's definitely tough, I think.
Yeah, it
Right?
is.
So how did you practice quants? Like tell me some sources and the strategy which you followed.
See, for QRE, I believe at least QRE plus G, at least you should have, I believe, one subject where you have like a little mastery कि तुमको इसके बारे में वरी नहीं करना, whether it be GA,
Okay.
whether it be English, whether it be reasoning. मेरा
Hmm.
इसमें था कि मेरे को इंग्लिश में ज्यादा इशू
Hmm.
नहीं था, और फ्रॉम चाइल्डहुड आई हैव बीन रीडिंग बुक्स, तो इवन दो आई कांट लाइक
Hmm.
प्रॉपर्ली टेल कि इसमें क्या ग्रामेटिकल वर्ब में की जगह नाउन आएगा, बट आई कुड रीड द सेंटेंस एंड टेल कि दिस इज द एरर। So I was,
Okay.
or from the very beginning of my preparations, I was okay with English. So all I had to focus on quant and reasoning.
Hmm.
And for these, I used to do exact different opposite strategies. रीजनिंग एंड इंग्लिश के लिए. For reasoning, I used to call them khudra question. है ना?
Sorry, khudra.
Khudra question. This is in Hindi word like chiller.
Okay.
Chiller
Chiller.
questions.
Okay.
Okay. So
Basically, it
like
means easy question, right?
easy questions. Those
Uh,
questions which are one part. Like puzzle,
okay.
you have to solve the whole question
Uh,
and you get 5 questions. But if you don't solve it and your
then
10 minutes are
also.
gone, you are gone.
Mhm.
So I used to, in reasoning, I used to attempt the khudra question, the chiller questions first, because key low stake, low
Okay.
value. I get it, these 20 questions, the syllogisms, the inequalities, the logical reasoning. I will
Right,
get
right,
them in
right.
like the first 20-25 minutes. Then I will go for the puzzles and the seating arrangements. Even if I do not get that, I at least have 20 questions that I've already done. तो
Mhm.
एटलीस्ट जो सेक्शनल कट ऑफ है वो क्लियर हो, है ना.
Mhm.
बाकी मेन कट ऑफ तो हम जीए और इंग्लिश से कर लेंगे.
कर लेंगे.
मैथ्स
Right.
में
But
आई यूज्ड टू.
like I have one doubt over here, like how to identify your khudra questions. Like how to first identify, because reasoning is like 60 questions, dude. And
या
you have to start from 1 to 60. So initially you scan, right?
हाँ, इफ यू कैन सी ना, उस पे लिखा होता फ्रॉम 1 to 5 दिस क्वेश्चन,
Right. Ha,
तो
ha, ha.
डायरेक्ट यू जंप टू 6 and then jump to
Okay.
10. Yeah, now
Okay.
the inequality question comes, then I will solve this right now.
Okay.
Seating arrangement you skip for the later part.
Right. And this comes with practice only, I think.
Yeah,
Right?
I have given
Right.
like 40-50 exams prelims ke. I've been giving exams from 2019 June.
40,
I have
50 exams.
yeah,
And
from
these are
I've
real exams of
yeah
IBPS.
on center pe. I have given
Mhm.
everything from NABARD assistant to SBI clerk to all the way
Mhm.
to RBI grade B. Everything, UPSC, EPFO. There's no
And if
exam
I
I have not given.
if I include the mocks which you have practiced,
Yeah,
so
then
that number will be at least be above 100, 150.
at least yes.
Nice. Now I think this success means a lot to you. And this actually I will write in your thumbnail as well, that you have given 40 to 50 exams and then you have cleared, then you have
Yeah.
got the success. Success
I
is
used
not
to
easy.
keep a list of from per year. I can show
Mhm.
you
Mhm.
all of the exams I've given in a particular year. And prelims, I get one tick, and mains I get another tick. If I fail, then I get a cross. And
Oh, that would be historic. If you can share the photo, we will include it in the video itself. If possible, do
okay,
share the video. Okay.
yes, sir, sure.
Now let's come to phase one again. Like we were talking about content reasoning, right? So
Yeah.
in content reasoning, you told me that you practiced a lot and you identify your strength zone. But what
Mm-hmm.
about GA? GA is very important component to clear overall
Mm-hmm.
cutoff. So how did you practice GA?
GA is from for prelims GA. You do not need schemes. You do not need reports for prelims GA. You only need GA news, those particular state news, national news, and all those things, and the budget and the economic survey. So budget and economic survey, I used to read the report from the EduTap. For GA news, because I like visual medium better. For GA at least,
Okay,
because I can I put it at 3x and I watch it repeatedly.
3x.
3x,
Right.
2.7x, 2.5x, whatever you are comfortable with. And
Right,
so there's a channel called Parcham Classes, and
right.
they put monthly videos of, and each section has one video, like 5 to 6 videos for a month. So I used to do like 5 months videos before prelims, and 2-3 times. First time you just watch it with open eyes and see what they're saying. Next time you okay to watch it. It is an MCQ format. You watch it, you pause it, and you try to guess the answer. And third time
Right.
it is done.
And you are
After three
doing,
attempts,
right.
hmm.
You are doing this for this attempt only, or this was your
Now
original
this is my.
strategy?
Ever since I found that channel, I've been doing that. Before that, I used to
Okay.
read PDFs, but I find this
Mhm.
better. There is
Okay.
more recollection with this
Right.
because GA
And
has lots of data.
right. And how many months of GA did you target it for phase one?
For phase one, I did, I think, 4 to 5 months. Not people
Oh,
usually say 6 months, 8 months. I don't think
it's not
mostly.
manageable, right?
Yeah.
Mm,
I even if you do it, you can't remember all that
remember.
data. It's
Mm,
there's no point. So I did 4 to 5 months.
right. And like, were you making any notes for phase one or anything like that?
Phase one, no, I did not make any notes for phase one. That
So
is
for GA, so for GA, it was just that
just that video,
imagining,
yes.
right?
And the practice and the formulas you used to write, वो तो
Mhm.
maths and reasoning का.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now my big question to you is, if anybody who is like fresher, he or she is listening to us right now, what will be a golden mantra to him or her, that if they follow this golden mantra, definitely they will see some, improvements. Not, I will say, like big improvements, but minor improvements in their score of phase one.
Hmm. For phase one, I think there's nothing as compared to mock test. Kind of cliche answer, but yeah, you have to give enough. and so many as you are like tired of it. Before,
Okay.
you have to give a lot of mock tests, as many as possible, whatever platform offers it. Oliveboard, EduTap, Anujindal,
Hmm.
just give the mock test. Textbook is also okay, even though textbooks are
Right.
mock tests are comparatively easier, but you should give
Hmm.
as many mock tests as possible. And the second thing is, as I said, to practice in real world pressure scenarios, you should
Right.
give exam before RBI, whatever
Right.
same pattern, because SSC has a different pattern, so you can skip that. But all the other exam, bank exams and some other insurance exam that follows the same QRE pattern, you should give them at the center.
And that you did really well. I think you played many practice matches before going to the final game. It's good actually. Many people think that failures are bad. But right now, once I see you, once I also see you in the interview that day also, but today you are a different man altogether. That day was quite different when you were quite nervous. I still
Uh,
remember your face.
yeah, I was
Right.
too nervous.
We will come to interview.
Yeah,
But again, the practice has no substitute in phase one, I think, right?
no,
And how many tests did you practice for this year at least?
did not keep count. I gave all that were
Rough numbers.
available on EduTap. I think
Okay,
20-30 I have must have given.
right. Now let's come to phase two. But before I
Yeah.
come to phase two, were you confident that you will clear phase one this year?
I had clear phase one all two
Three
times. So I was
times.
like
Okay.
confident before the exam ki hoga, but for
Hmm.
I was a little worried about the reasoning section. If you remember, there was a blood relation question in the reasoning section this year,
Okay.
and I attempted that question 5 times because
5 times.
I was like कि ये blood relations मेरे को आता है
Uh-huh.
और मैंने उसको उसमें ऑलरेडी 5 मिनट लगा दिए हैं, मैं करूंगा करूंगा करूंगा, उस चक्कर में
Okay.
मेरा वो टाइम बहुत गया उसमें, तो आई वॉज ओनली वरीड अबाउट कि उसका सेक्शनल कट ऑफ क्लियर हो जाए, रीजनिंग का ओवरऑल तो मेरा हो जाएगा, आई नी, बट लकीली
Okay.
हो गया.
Right. Now let's come to phase two. So you were like in doldrums for reasoning only, but you were having overall ki ho jayega, right?
या
Now let's come to phase two. Now in phase two, again, take me through your journey for finance and management first.
ओके. Finance and management, because I have been, I first started with Jinder sir's notes for
Mhm.
finance and management. So I first year I read the same thing. Second year
Mhm.
I read the same thing because finance does not change, na. So
Right.
I did
Static
not
does not
want to
change.
shift. Uh, did not want to shift to another platform, even though I think IDOTF has good mind maps and but
Mhm.
I was already doing that. So
Mhm.
I printed the whole stack of it, and
Okay.
what I do is I print 4 pages on one page, like split them in landscape. If I
Okay.
could show
Okay.
you, I have here, you can
Hmm.
see this is
Yeah.
4 pages on one page. So
Okay.
what
Okay.
happens
Okay.
is the stack looks smaller.
So your
So
burden looks smaller.
yeah, so it looks smaller. So
Right.
everything I print on one by four. So it looks
Okay.
smaller. And I first, the first time I read it, I read the whole thing without trying to memorize it, underline the important points. Even though
Mhm.
it is notes, but still there are some points which are more important. There are some
Mhm.
explanation. When you just read them, you don't find that. Okay, I don't
Mhm.
understand what this concept is. Then you watch a video, you Google it, you ask ChatGPT, and you write the
Mhm.
details of that particular concept. First,
Right.
then I have my notes. Then I read it 2 times, 3 times over before the exam. That's how finance and management I did.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it was all because of your notes which you have so that you were able to revise it multiple times.
Yeah.
And
Plus, I
this,
also like in last 3 years I've done the same notes like three times
Mhm.
a year. So like 9 times, 10 times right now
Oh wow. So you
because
have
I've been
revised
repeating
it.
the same notes, na.
So you have revised 9 to 10 times this
Yes.
in 2000, like by the time 2024, your
Yeah.
revision is done 9 to 10 times. That's again a
Yes.
very big breaking news, I would say, because many people are not able to revise once,
Yeah.
right?
But yeah,
Because
it is because once the paper the circular comes, then I
Hmm.
read the whole finance management once. Then again after before if I get the time, and then of course before the mains exam you have to do it once again.
By circular, you mean notification,
Yeah,
right? Just
notification.
for
Yes. Yeah.
clarification, right?
Yeah.
Cool. Now, for financial management, I think your static part was bit sorted.
Yeah.
Now, let's come to ESI static also. So, was the same strategy followed over there?
It will be a little controversial, but I have not read a single page of ESI static in last 3 years
Okay. And what was the reason behind it?
because I read the all the PYQs. There was no single question from static. There are no static
Right.
questions in ESI. All the
Hmm.
questions are all either general
Correct.
awareness or report based or budget based. So I said,
Right.
why waste time? I did not. I read finance and management, static.
Hmm.
For ESI, I did not read any static, even though people read it and I support because that will be helpful in interview phase.
Yes,
Of
surely.
course, that is very important. But I
Mhm.
did not because मेरा background वो था नहीं and I found it कि यार क्यों time waste करना. So
Right.
instead of
Everybody
that,
has their own customized
yeah.
strategy, I
So instead of that, I focused on schemes. I
think.
I read all the schemes
Mhm.
which were available. I read reports.
Mhm.
Then EduTech has a very good summarized thing. Reports tab, news, RBI news tab, RBI surplus tab, and all that. Also, the budget and economic survey. And from last year because I had the trauma कि मैं reports नहीं पढ़ी. So I did a lot of reports जितनी मेरे को मिली. Financial
Right.
stability मेरे पास यहाँ list लगी हुई है सारी reports की.
Right, right, right. Good.
Yeah.
And now when it comes to current affairs, like reports, schemes, and everything, like
Hmm.
frankly speaking, if a student is doing 6 months of current affair for phase two, it's like full of khichdi,
Hmm.
full of Maggie, whatever you want to call it as. So how
Yes.
did you manage it? How did you keep the control over current affairs for phase two?
For phase two, what I did this year, which I should have done last year, and I would have been successful last year, I think, if I did that,
Mhm.
which was very important. I made a list of topics. I think you recommended or someone recommended that during the phase two. I made a list of topics: ki banking, health, education, social infrastructure, gender equality, and for
Mhm.
every topic, I had like 3 to 4 fodder material, like point wise. That this is
Mhm.
the point which can be quotable in an answer.
Okay.
So when the exam comes, I don't have to revise the whole 6 month. I have to revise those three pages per topic because
Okay.
most of the essays are around these things also health education.
Mhm.
You have put a more weightage on banking, less on
Mhm.
like health because health RBI uses ask you frequently less. This time it has asked mental health question, and I
Mhm.
used the same data I had read listened. I had written down in the health section, and I
Mhm.
used that one, and it worked.
Right. It's nice. So you basically organized everything. Like your notes were
Yes.
also a bit
Uh,
organized. This current
yes.
affair approach is also organized. And phase one, to an extent, you organize through multiple practice. So
Hmm.
having an organized approach is very much good for you.
Very.
Right. And how did you practice descriptive for paper one and paper two? And actually for paper three as well. How did you
Hmm.
practice it?
Practice. That was one big drawback from me because I have not been doing practice from last
Mm,
2 years. So I said, "Ki this year I have to do it." And my
mm,
friends also pushed me, कि, "यार, because it was sheer." Man, I analyzed it. It was out of fear because you
okay.
read and read and read and you like you know it. But if you write it and you don't know
Mm,
it, then you get depressed. You get decompressed. कि नहीं यार, I don't know it.
mm,
So out of that fear कि यार नहीं आएगा तो फिर मेरे को anxiety होगी इसलिए मैं लिखता नहीं
mhm,
था. But
mhm.
this time I was forced, so I wrote it, and so
Right.
I gave a I and one thing I recommend to all: do not write on laptop, do not write on good mechanical keyboards. Buy the
Mm,
cheapest keyboard you can find on Amazon, 250 rupees, 200 rupees. You don't know what the center will provide.
right.
You cannot go कि मैं मैकबुक पे प्रैक्टिस करके आया वहां पे उन्होंने खट खट दे दिया फिर तुम्हारा
Right.
सारा प्रैक्टिस रखा रह जाएगा. Buy the
So basically,
cheapest.
your friends forced you to practice, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Anybody who you are able to recall right now because you will share
Yeah,
this video with them.
my friend Aarti Chandani, she's from
Okay.
Gujarat. I met her during the preparations. She forced me. She held me accountable in many ways. She introduced me to that YPT app.
Okay.
Yulomtak something is called, and you can
Mhm,
form a group and you can track
mhm.
how much, when, and how much the person has studied this day. So
Okay.
like so when she is studying there, I have to study because वो आता है ना moral pressure आ जाता है कि यार वो पढ़ रही है मैं इंस्टाग्राम चला रहा हूँ.
Right, right, right.
हाँ. तो एंड
So,
शी आल्सो कि तुमको कल इतने आंसर लिखने हैं ईएसआई का एक पेपर देना ही देना है कोई
hmm,
इसमें वो नहीं चलेगा कि
right.
मैंने मेरे को थ्योरी रिवाइज करनी है थ्योरी रिवाइज हो जाएगी पहले आंसर लिखो that is
Uh-huh.
important. So if you have a person who can like hold you keep you accountable, if you have a study circle, that is
Study
very
circle.
helpful.
So I think thank you to Aarti because
Yeah,
you have
thank you to Arti.
seriously pushed you to make sure that you write. And now this is
Yeah.
a very, big doubt of students as well. Like what I have encountered is that many students have the concepts running in their mind, but they also have the fear that if they want to go and write, they won't be able to do it. Word limit puri nahi ho rahi hai, grammar mistakes
Hmm.
hai, and all that
Yeah.
XYZ reasons. So how did you tackle this problem? Like you write your
Hmm.
answers, but on
Hmm.
the first day there are multiple challenges. Second day, there are 2x of challenges. So how did Sudhir tackle those challenges?
तो पीटीएसडी है, सीरियस में बता रहा हूँ। लास्ट 2 ईयर से मैं क्योंकि नहीं करा, मैंने फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में तो मैंने चलो ठीक है कोई नहीं। एक तो वो है ना अपना ईगो है कि मैं कंप्यूटर इंजीनियर हूँ, मेरे से टाइप नहीं होगा 600 वर्ड, क्या बात कर रहा था। तो
Right.
मैं इस ईगो में जा रहा था कि टाइपिंग तो करनी है, टाइपिंग स्पीड का मुझे इशू नहीं है। बट दैट्स नॉट पॉसिबल सर, इफ यू हैव नॉट प्रैक्टिस्ड इट। यू हैव, कंप्यूटर इंजीनियर हो, डाटा एंट्री ऑपरेटर हो, कुछ भी हो, डाटा साइंटिस्ट हो, बाय रियल टाइम में आपको सोचना है, लिखना है, और आपको ध्यान रखना है कि उसकी स्पेलिंग में ए भी क्या कहते हैं ई के आगे ना हो, वरना वो रेड आएगा, कंप्यूटर चेक करेगा तो, है ना। तो वो चीज प्रैक्टिस के बिना नहीं आ सकती। मैंने अपने क्या कहते हैं इस साल करा तो मुझे उसका फर्क लगा। पहले दिन मैंने पेपर करा इंग्लिश में, मेरे से पूरा एक क्वेश्चन छूट गया, टाइम लिमिट वाज ओवर, पूरा एक
Okay.
क्वेश्चन वाईपीटी पे, वो कहता है एडुटैप पे। फिर मेरे को दो तीन
Right.
पेपर और करे तब जाके मेरा क्या कहता है पेपर पूरा हुआ।
Hmm.
ये नहीं कि मार्क्स कितने आए वो बाद में, पहले पेपर पूरा तो हो, वो
Right. Right.
इम्पोर्टेंट है। मेरे पिछले साल भी अटेम्प्ट में फाइनेंस में एक क्वेश्चन छूट गया था, मतलब आधा। दिस
Okay.
वाज द फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट जिसमें मैंने सारे क्वेश्चन पूरे पूरे अटेम्प्ट करे हैं, विच इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। वर्ड
पूरे
लिमिट
पूरे
बाय द टी हिट करिए।
ओके हाँ मतलब यही वर्ड लिमिट क्या
हम्म।
पूरा 400 ऑन
या
डॉट।
मैंने पहले, मुझे पता नहीं किसने बता दिया था कि 10% ऊपर नीचे चलता है, नहीं
हाँ
चलता।
हाँ
आप कोशिश करो, अगर 400 है तो 395 हिट करो, 405 हिट करो। 600 है तो आप कम से कम 590 हिट करो, उसमें बहुत फर्क पड़ता है उससे।
राइट cool and now when it comes to descriptive like were you practicing it on daily basis or was it like once in the
No,
week?
not daily because you have to revise so much, and to
Hmm,
daily तो नहीं हो पाता था full.
hmm,
I started it after the prelims का result, then
hmm.
those 35-30 days. Then I used to, every alternate day I used to give an exam.
Okay, nice. And now that's it for phase two because I think we have talked a lot. English descriptive, anything extra which you would like to add? Anything extra which you would like to contribute?
या इंग्लिश, इंग्लिश में मेरा बहुत इशू था बिकॉज लास्ट दोनों साल से मेरे एग्जैक्ट 49 नंबर आ रहे थे दोनों पेपर्स में।
Yes.
मेरा 2022 में भी 49 नंबर आए, 23 में भी एग्जैक्ट 49 नंबर आए।
So
और मैं
how
क्योंकि
this
मैंने,
coincidence can happen? Like, don't you think it's
आई
very
हैव
rare?
मैं आई एक्चुअली
Uh,
पुट एन आरटीआई, कैन यू गिव मी द,
okay.
कि गिव मी द मार्कशीट, आई वांट टू नो हाउ इज दैट पॉसिबल। बिकॉज आई वाज लाइक कि मैं इतनी किताबें पढ़ी, मैंने 200 किताबें पढ़ दी, मेरे को इंग्लिश आती है, मैं इंग्लिश में इतने कम नंबर कैसे आ रहे हैं मेरे। बट दे डोंट लेट यू नो, दैट इज वन ऑफ द मेजर फ्लॉ ऑफ सब्जेक्टिव कहते हैं एग्जाम्स की, तुम्हें नहीं पता तुमने गलत क्या किया। यू हैव टू
Right.
फाइंड इट योर सेल्फ एंड देन करेक्ट इट एंड होप दैट यू हैव फाउंड द राइट थिंग। सो दिस टाइम,
Yes.
अदर देन कि क्या फॉर्मेट है, क्योंकि फॉर्मेट सबको पता है, आई आई इंट्रोडक्शन लिखना है, फिर ये लिखना है, फिर ये लिखना है, यू नो दैट। बट उसमें किस तरीके से करना है वो, एंड आई वन थिंग दैट आई वर्कड ऑन दिस टाइम वाज प्रेसेस। आई यूज्ड टू राइट
Okay.
प्रेसेस वेरी बैडली बिकॉज समहाउ मेरे स्कूल में प्रेसी नहीं पढ़ाया गया था, हमारे स्कूल में समरी पढ़ाया गया था। तो मैंने
Right.
प्रेसी पहली बार यहाँ आके लिखा आरबीआई में।
Okay.
हाँ,
Cool.
तो
So you
प्रेसी पे।
basic so
हाँ सर।
Issal marks are not out by the time we are recording this video, but
या
what do you expect? 49 plus or minus or
नहीं
exact
नहीं,
49?
49 प्लस तो होंगे, अगर इंटरव्यू पे
Right.
कॉल आया तो आई एम होपिंग
Yes,
49
yes,
प्लस तो
yes.
होंगे।
Cool. So let's
हम्म,
see that how much you get.
या
Now let's come to interview. But before I come to interview, I want to pick one more, I would say, common doubt of students is related to working aspirants.
हम्म,
Right? Working aspirants are not able to get time. Like these
हम्म,
doubts which I get on regular basis, sir, I'm working this in this company. I'm getting 4 hours a day. Is it enough? I'm getting 5 hours a day. Is it enough? I'm just getting 2 hours a day. Is it enough? So, how did you manage your work X, and how did you make sure that you are disciplined also for RPI?
well, I don't think I'm the right person to answer this because मेरे working hours are comparatively less. If you consider,
Okay,
I have friends in banks, they work from 10 to 7.
10 to 7. Okay.
Yeah, and अभी audit चल रहा है, they are working 10 to 9
Oh,
in the
nice.
in SBI में. So
Okay.
it is much more difficult for them. I was a teacher, so I have my working hours are 12:30 to 6:30. After that,
Okay.
I'm free to do whatever I want to do. But because
12:30 in afternoon, right? And to
हाँ
6:30 in
12:30,
evening.
because I work in the
School.
evening shifts को.
Right.
So I used to study from 7:30 I come back. I used to start at 9 and I used to
Mm-hmm.
go all the way to 3 after
Mm-hmm.
the 4 prelims and mains to 3, and after prelims जब mains का बारी आया तो 5. And
Mm-hmm.
so one thing is you have to love coffee. You have to start loving coffee.
Right.
क्योंकि कितना भी नींद आए, सर पे पट्टी बांधो जैसे शिनचैन के उसमें बांधता था, एंड यू हैव टू कीप स्टडिंग। क्योंकि
Right.
नींद तो आएगी, बट यू हैव टू बी लाइक कि यार क्यों कर रहे हैं, अकाउंटेबिलिटी चाहिए,
Hmm.
क्यों चाहिए, क्या करना उसके
Hmm.
लिए। बट ये है कि मेरे पास ये था कि मैं 5 बजे सो के 11 बजे उठता था, तो आई स्टिल गॉट माई आवर्स। अगर समवन इज वर्किंग लाइक इन कॉर्पोरेट 9 to 5, तो यू दे कांट डू दिस, दे कांट
Hmm.
स्लीप टिल 5, so they you have to but somehow make time.
But
People,
still, I think 4 to 5 hours a day, or even
4 to 5 hours
3 to 4.
are much, are
Hmm.
enough, I think, for at least
Yes.
for prelims mains. You have to just put a little more right before mains.
Hmm.
Those days before, between prelims and mains, you have to pour more hours. You have to like 7 8 hours
Hmm.
maybe, but
And
before
you
that
have
4 hours is enough.
Hmm. Yes, 4 hours is enough. Plus, you have weekends also.
Yeah,
Plus, you
weekends.
will obviously have holidays in your companies as well, some leaves
Yeah,
as well. So, if
yes.
somebody manage their work profile very actively, I still think it is manageable with 4 hours per day.
It is very easily. There are many banking aspirants that has been selected. I have met them, so
Hmm.
they do manage it. It can be done.
Right.
If- I can't tell them what schedule to follow. Some people like studying in the morning. Some people like
Morning.
studying at the night. But
Hmm.
do whatever suits you, and just find
Right.
4 hours in from your day.
Right. Cool. And were you having any special hobbies to burst off your stress or something like that?
Uh, mm, Hobbies. I like gym, but that I had to give that up for the exam.
Right.
So the other thing left was books. I love to read books. So every night before going to sleep, even though I'm going to sleep at 3, I used to read a audiobook. जो कि
Okay.
too, because already you are too much caffeinated. So
Right.
audiobook will lull you to sleep. And even
Right.
on the weekends, if you get
And
time, read a book.
any special genre of books, or was it journal only?
I too read every genre of books. If you have to find your genre, I particularly love Stephen King types of
Hmm.
horror thriller more.
Okay.
But I read normal non-fiction books. The Great Mughal I'm right now reading. So you
Okay.
have to develop a love for reading. It will help you not like you to decompress, but also in your exams. As I
Hmm.
said कि इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज उससे बहुत बेटर हो जाती है, इंग्लिश का जो
Right.
आपका सेक्शन है उससे।
Cool. Now let's come to interview, because I first met you in Delhi, if I'm not wrong, right? During
या
that offline days.
या
And I
राजेंद्र
asked
प्लेस।
you, yes, yes, yes. Actually, it was my second time in Delhi, and I was like, "ठीक है, I will help students as much as we can." And when your turn came, like I asked you this question, what was the department which you would like to join? You said financial inclusion and some customer thing, right? And I was like,
And
there's
you
no
said
department
horrible.
as horrible, because see what happens is once we see a student who is coming in the one-to-one session,
uh,
actually my role was to grill a student so that we can put a student in different situations. And
mm,
HSR sir was just giving journal tips. So
mm.
once, and still remember we offered you a glass of water as well because you were tensed after that answer, right?
या या
Cool.
मैं इसके
So,
बाद मेरे को बेसिक आंसर भी नहीं आया कि हाँ भाई
uh,
कौन कौन सी स्कीम चल रही है, कुछ नहीं याद
so
है।
was that one-to-one session helpful for you?
एक्चुअली यस, उसके बाद
हाँ.
मतलब मैं उस दिन डिप्रेशन में था। फिर नेक्स्ट डे मैं आया, फिर मैंने क्या कहते हैं एक लिस्ट बनाई कि क्या क्या टॉपिक्स पढ़ने हैं। ठीक है,
हाँ.
कि ये टॉपिक है, ये टॉपिक है, वो सारी फिर मैंने दीवार पे चिपकाई, यहाँ चिपकी हुई है अभी भी।
Right.
फिर
And
उससे मैंने
so,
फिर एक एक करके उसको टिक ऑफ करना शुरू करा कि नहीं भाई अभी नहीं आता कुछ भी, तुम्हें लगता तुम्हें आता है, कुछ नहीं आता तुम्हें।
so it was a good wake-up call, I think.
या
Nice, nice, nice. Very good. Actually, when we talk, like we conducted your get to know, right? When you said to me that, sir, you said this, so I recalled you. Oh, yes, this was a student. Right. So, how was your interview? Any special moments or any special questions which you are able to recollect?
इट बिगेन विद, एक तो मेरा थोड़ा सा वैसा इंटरव्यू था सिनेमैटिक टाइप का कि 31 दिसंबर को 11 लोगों के
Uh-huh.
पैनल में मेरा आखिरी इंटरव्यू था। सो
Okay.
लास्ट इंटरव्यू ऑफ द लास्ट डे ऑफ द ईयर।
Last. Okay.
तो मैं
Cool.
आई हैव रीच देयर 9, माय इंटरव्यू इज 3:30, तो ऑलरेडी फुल ऑफ नर्व्स, एक दो कॉफी पी चुके हैं, स्ट्रेस में ऑलरेडी सारे। और उसमें ये होता है कि जैसे जैसे होता जाता है तो द पीपल लीव,
Leave.
सो आई एम द
Yes.
लास्ट पर्सन इन अ हॉल सिटिंग
Hmm.
अलोन, so that is
Hmm.
already now racking. So
Right.
when I got,
And when people leave, right, they tell you that how the panel member is
they
grilling
do
or
not
something.
actually,
Okay.
because the RBI people are like,
Uh,
some people are sitting, so they will be like general कि हाँ अच्छे लोग हैं ये, but
okay.
not कि क्या क्वेश्चन पूछा, not those details.
Right. So how did you tackle the butterflies? Through coffee only?
पहले तो बटरफ्लाइज पहले तो जाते टाइम तो आई वाज नर्वस ऑफ कोर्स, बट स्टार्टिंग में दे लकीली आस्क्ड, दे ट्राई टू कंफर्ट मी कि आर यू टायर्ड, यू हैव बीन सिटिंग हियर फ्रॉम द मॉर्निंग, एंड आई वाज लाइक नो सर आई एम फाइन. So they the starting में they asked like logically, because it is 3:30 ना, they already have asked all the normal questions already. Functions of RBI they were asked 11 times, they have already heard the answer 11 times, you can't
Right.
say anything different. So first they asked normal questions ki like three schemes RBI is running for protection, for कहते हैं for education, give me three schemes and all. उसके बाद they got in वो कि आपका एक तो मेरा करियर थोड़ा वैसा है ना, कि आपने पहले
Clerk,
इंजीनियरिंग
teacher.
करी, फिर बैंकिंग गए,
Yes.
फिर टीचर गए, फिर आप यहाँ आ रहे हैं. फिर उस पे
Mhm.
उन्होंने थोड़ा ग्रिल करा मुझे. फिर
Mhm.
उन्होंने फिर वो कि उन्होंने टीचर को पूरा इग्नोर करा, क्योंकि दे दैट इज नॉट रिलेवेंट टू देम, दे ओनली आस्क क्वेश्चंस अबाउट कि मेरा एसबीआई में क्या काम था, एंड बीटेक
Mhm.
जो है आपको वो कैसे हेल्प करेगा हमारी जॉब में.
Mhm.
तो उस पे फिर पहले धीरे धीरे होते होते फिर एंड तक जब आया इंटरव्यू खत्म होते टाइम, देन आई वाज वेरी टेंस बिकॉज द क्वेश्चन दे वर आस्किंग बाय द एंड ऑफ दैट, बिकॉज आई थिंक दे वर बोर्ड. आकर इंटरव्यू है 4 बज गया,
Mhm.
देखते हैं. से आस्किंग
Right.
रीर दे आस्क्ड वन क्वेश्चन, आई रिमेम्बर वेरी, कि रीर दे आस्क्ड, आई नो व्हाट रीर इज, आई एक्सप्लेन व्हाट रीर इज, बट द पैनलिस्ट आस्क्ड मी कि दिस इज द करेंसीज वैल्यू टुडे, व्हाट इज डॉलर,
Mhm.
दिस इज दिस, एंड
Mhm.
रिमूव ऑल अदर फैक्टर्स, डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प, यूएसए, गोल्ड सब हटा दो, मेरे को ये बताओ खाली ये वैल्यू है, एक साल बाद रीर क्या होगा.
Mhm.
सर इतना टेक्निकल नॉलेज तो नहीं है
नहीं
मेरे
है.
पास. आई सेड आई
Right.
एम सॉरी सर, आई कांट रिकलेक्ट दैट नाइट नाउ. फिर द चेयरमैन सर आस्क कि 10 तुमने बैंक में काम करा है, कैलकुलेट करके बताओ मुझे, 10 लाख का लोन है, 10% का इंटरेस्ट है, 10 साल के लिए, इंटरेस्ट मेरे को कैलकुलेट करके बताओ. मैं कहा सर हो जाएगा
Mhm.
इक्वली. मैंने करके कहा नहीं, मेरे को इसमें तुम पर मंथ इसमें जो वो हो रहा है, क्या कहते हैं,
Mhm.
तुम ईएमआई भर रहे हो ना, तो हर हर महीने जो अमाउंट कम हो रहा है उसको लगा के बताओ इसको. मैं कहा सर ये तो मशीन कैलकुलेट करती है, हमने कभी नहीं करा कैलकुलेट इसको, और ना
Mhm.
इसमें बीटेक में कराया. सो दैट ये एंड था मेरा इंटरव्यू का. तो जो बिगनिंग में जो थोड़ा बहुत अच्छा भी हुआ था, एंड तक तो आई वाज किया बहुत बुरा फंस गया इसमें.
Right. So after interview, how was your evaluation? ठीक था, बेकार था?
इवैल्यूएशन मैंने भाई को फोन करा, मैं कहा भाई बहुत मारा मुझे.
And your brother is working in which particular bank?
My brother does not work in bank right now. He works for
Okay.
CAG.
Okay.
He's also preparing for RBI, and
Okay.
but this time he could not clear pre. Last time he gave interview, but this
Okay.
time he could not clear the pre. So the days are not even. Just I would like to know. I would tell everyone कि हो जाता है
Mhm.
कभी कभी.
Right. It's like everybody has a different story
Yeah,
altogether.
yeah.
Right.
That's
So,
why I say कि जितना हो सके prelims दो फील्ड
right.
में जाके.
Hmm. So this is all about phase one, phase two, and phase three. Like now let's come to the like the result day. Like this time the results were horribly delayed. Every time we see that
Yeah.
results are out in 7 to 8 days. This time I don't know what happened, but 20 plus days after the final interview, it was like too much for students.
Hmm.
So first of all, what were you doing on that day? And when the results were announced, who was the first person to whom you called?
Hmm.
Hmm.
सो हम लोग आई वुड नॉट गो टू द क्या कहते हैं साइट वेबसाइट आरबीआई का, आई वुड जस्ट गो टू द टेलीग्राम चैनल इंटरव्यू वाला जो हमने एडोटेप का बनाया हुआ है, बिकॉज आई नो कि यहाँ पहले आएगा. वहां आते ही पता चल जाएगा. बस एवरी डे पीपल आर डिस्कसिंग कि मेरा ये कांटेक्ट है, ये कह रहा है आ जाएगा, कोई कह रहा है कल आएगा, नहीं आएगा, उस दिन आएगा. सो आई वाज टायर्ड एट द टाइम कि मैं कब देखा जाएगा. फिर 8:30 आई थिंक आई वाज इन द जिम. And
Okay.
so I had kept my phone away. I was working out. So I was just went to get water. और मेरा फोन एग्जैक्ट उसके ऊपर था. तो मैंने
Okay.
कहा कि देखते हैं क्या है. तो मैंने देखा पहला मैसेज फ्रॉम टेलीग्राम, ग्रुप मेंबर हैड सेड इन क्वेश्चन मार्क. मैं कहा इन
Okay.
क्वेश्चन मार्क तो मतलब वही आ गया भाई साहब. तो मैंने पहले फिर ग्रुप खोला, तो ग्रुप में चेक करा मैंने रोल नंबर, ऐसे वो मेरा 191 से है, तो मैं नीचे 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 गया, मेरे को लगा ऐसे आ रहा है रोल नंबर
Okay,
ऑर्डर
but
में.
वही
तो
था.
मैं, हाँ, तो मैं नेक्स्ट गया, मैं कहा नहीं है शिट. पहली 2 लाइन में मैं कहा गया, काम खराब हो गया.
हाँ.
फिर मैं इधर से इधर गया, तो फिर मेरे को यहाँ मिला रोल नंबर वो. मैं कहा भाई सब
Okay.
हो गया.
And then who
फिर
was the first person to whom you
हाँ,
called?
first person I called was Aarti, because she had been such a
Hmm.
help. She has been such help. I can't tell you.
She is
It's
also in RBI.
no, she has been preparing for RBI.
Right.
I'm pretty sure she will clear it this year. And
Right.
after that, I called my friends. I have a group of friends from college. We have a group and we were all waiting कि यार पेपर आएगा. मैंने बहुतों को बहुत सारे वादे कर दिए कि हो जाएगा, तुझे यहाँ घुमाऊंगा, तुझे यहाँ घुमाऊंगा, तुझे ये दिला
Right.
दूंगा. So I called them, 5 member group. Then I went. उसके बाद मैंने किसी को कॉल नहीं किया घर पे. मैं जिम में था, उनको लगा जिम से मैं गया. पहले स्वीट शॉप पे मैंने मिठाई ली. मेरे दोनों भाई जो हैं, बड़े 2 भाई हैं, दोनों यहाँ से बाहर रहते हैं. एक केरला में
Okay.
रहता है, एक जम्मू में रहता है. उनको वीडियो कॉल पे लिया, फिर घर पे आए. एंड आई वीडियो कॉल पे, और फादर मदर मेरे साथ रहता, तो उनको मैंने बताया कि हो गया, उनको मिठाई उठाई खिलाई.
Right. So
फिर
that
मैंने
I
अपने
think.
फादर को स्ट्रिक्टली मना किया हुआ था कि किसी को बताना मत जब तक फाइनल रिजल्ट नहीं आएगा. फिर उस दिन रात
Okay.
पापा ने 150 लोगों को कॉल किया, हो गया, हो गया, हो गया.
These are the moments which you live for, right?
या
And this is coming after the, I would say hustle which you have done in last 3 years, 40 to 50 exams.
या
Right. So are you proud of yourself right now?
यस, आई कैन से यस, फाइनली.
Cool. So last question before I end this particular good interview. Give me some, like, if I give you situation, let's say that there is one person who is struggling right now, because you have also seen a lot of struggle. So what advice will you give to him, irrespective that whether he will clear the exam next year or not? What exam, like what tip you will give to him that yes, uska time bhi aayega, something like that.
There's a poem by Faiz Ahmad Faiz. I used to read that often. एंड खासकर जब नई रिजल्ट आता है ना, तो बहुत याद आता है. उसका एक शेर है कि हम पर तेरी चाह का इल्जाम ही तो है, इकराम तो नहीं ये दुश्नाम ही तो है, और दिल ना उम्मीद तो नहीं नाकाम ही तो है, लंबी है गम की शाम मगर शाम ही तो है. सो आई वुड से, मैं जब रिजल्ट आता था तो इसको बहुत पढ़ता था कि इवेंचुअली इट विल गेट बेटर, इफ नॉट दिस देन समथिंग एल्स. इस साल मैंने सोचा था नहीं होगा, कोई बात नहीं, इससे भी आरबीआई, ग्रेड बी, पीएफआरडी, आरडीआई, आईआरडीआई, बहुत
आते
कुछ,
रहेंगे.
कुछ ना कुछ तो हो ही जाएगा. ठीक है, कर लेंगे.
Right.
या
Cool. So wonderful interview, I would say till now, and wish you loads of success. Just one more question: where do you see yourself after 10 years from now?
इतना लंबा तो नहीं सोचा. आई वाज होपिंग कि आरबीआई में कुछ अच्छा कर लें. आई वांट टू वर्क लाइक कि जैसे मेरे जो पहले की जॉब से, आई वाज वर्किंग देम बट आई वाज नॉट एंजॉयिंग. आई वांट टू एंजॉय दिस जॉब. आई वांट टू डू दिस फॉर अ लाइफ टाइम. I want to be as good as possible in this job. So I would like to be like good at it.
Right. Cool. So time is running out. Otherwise, we would have continued a lot. So thank you, Sudhir, for joining us, and wish you loads of good success in the upcoming years of RBI. Very, very good. You have literally made like your parents proud, your brothers proud, and I hope everybody around you will remain happy.